So we can conclude that oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature because they are turning blue litmus paper into red. So oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature, whereas oxides of metals are basic oxides, basic in nature. Now let us see the second chemical property, that is reaction with water. What happens when metals and non-metals react with water? So the first we'll see the metals. Metals react with water to form their hydroxides. Metal reacts with water to form hydroxide. You can see the reaction. A metal reacts with water to form metal hydroxide. Like they are reacting with oxygen to form metal oxide. Now they are reacting with water to form metal hydroxide. You will understand better with the example. So sodium is a metal, it reacts with water, Na plus H2O. It forms sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium plus water to give sodium hydroxide, NaOH. So what happens? Sodium is a very reactive metal. Sodium is a very reactive metal. It vigorously reacts with water. Vigorously means quickly, very fast. It very fastly reacts with water and a lot of heat is generated. When sodium reacts with water, a lot of heat is generated. You can see in the diagram. See here, the activity is shown when sodium reacts with water. You can see the glow. It catches fire and a lot of heat is generated. Okay, so sodium is very reactive metal. That is why it does not react with water on its own. Therefore sodium is stored in labs in kerosene oil, because if we store it in water, it will react with water and burn quickly. So that is why it is stored in kerosene in labs. Okay, now let us see the reactions of non-metals with water. Generally non-metals do not react with water. Like metals were forming hydroxide, non-metals do not react with water. They show no reaction. Okay, there are some non-metals that react with air and oxygen. We have seen in the previous property that non-metals are reacting with oxygen to form non-metal oxide. So they are stored in water. You'll understand better with example. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. Phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. It catches fire as it is exposed to air. Means if phosphorus is kept in air, it reacts with the oxygen present in the air and it catches fire. It burns on its own. So to prevent that, phosphorus is stored in water. So now why we are storing it in water? Because it is a non-metal and non-metals do not react with water. Okay, so phosphorus is stored in water because it is very reactive non-metal. It reacts with oxygen and catches fire. Therefore phosphorus is stored in water because it is a non-metal and they do not react with water. Got it? Thank you.